Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If I haven't seen my face before, I'm Alisha. Today I'm going to do something really interesting. It's called Power of Makeup and it's really genuine by Nikkie tutorials. I think with this video she got really shout out and famous, got name and fame. I really like how she talk about makeup shaming with the makeup and make people understand that it's not necessary to do makeup for like boys or confident or look beautiful. It's just a fun thing to do. Now I really heard really bad makeup shaming thing. Like when I was started my makeup, I always used to hear that you can't be fair by doing makeup or you can't get boys or you can't be beautiful. Now first it was hurting, but now when someone tell me that you can't be fair by doing makeup, I say I don't want to be fair by doing makeup. If I want to be fair, then I'm going to use some whitening product or I don't know, maybe some surgery or whatever. But doing makeup don't make you fair or confident or I don't know, but why people have that misconception about makeup, especially for black girls. They do makeup for get a fair skin and impress boys. Then why fair girls do makeup? Now I know not only me, a ton of girls wear them every single day. If you are also hearing that, just go straight to the lab and tell I'm not doing makeup by your money or your dad's money. I'm doing my makeup with my mom dad's money or my own money. And it's my skin and I know what to do with it. You are not anyone to say anything. Okay? Let's go to the video. Before you go to the video, just subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the ring bell because if you don't hit the ring bell, then you are not going to get notified every time I post. And also please share with your friends and family and you want to do this YouTube thing and make this little family more big. Help me to do it. Let's go. For foundation, I am using Milani 2-in-1 foundation and my shade is 10. As my concealer, I am taking Maybelline to Rewind Concealer and putting it in my under eye and my smile line. Now I am setting my face with W7 Banana Loose Powder. For contour, I am taking Revolution Ulta Contour Palette and contouring my usual area. For blush, I am taking Jordana blush. For today's eye makeup, I am taking Technic eyeshadow palette and I am taking this brown color and using it as my transition color. Now I am taking this cherry color and putting it in my outside area, means outer corner. Now I am taking little bit black and smoking little bit. I am mixing that both shimmer shadow and putting it my eyelids. Also, I am using the cherry color again and putting it in my under eye also. Taking this shimmer shade and putting it in my inner corner. For lips, I'm taking Imagic 21. I forget to highlight, and for highlighter I'm using Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold palette. So here is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Now I love both of my side, makeup or not makeup. People who loves me and know me, they love me for whatever I am, not for like my makeup side or not makeup side. And I don't gain confidence from like makeup, and like I feel less confident with my non-makeup side. No, not at all. I feel equal confidence with any of side of my face, and I think you should too. Makeup is just a fun thing to do. Makeup just a thing that makes me happy and feel good. I don't do makeup for any boy or like fair face or gain confidence and whatever more you guys talk. I just do because I love it. And if you are facing the same makeup shaming thing, then just tell yourself, I love myself with makeup and also without makeup. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell. If you don't hit the ring bell, you will not going to notify every time I post. And yeah, and like it and share it with your friends and family and whoever you know and whoever needs to watch the video. Love you. Bye. I don't know why, what's the function problem, but in my camera everything seems little bit washed out. For that, my foundation looks more lighter than real life, but actually the foundation is the same as my skin tone. I'm going to add some pictures so you can understand.